Okay, so we are again back to wrong example of a proof. I'm going to show it to you where we are going to prove that 1 is equal to 2. Okay, have you guys seen this kind of proofs before? You have seen one? You have seen one? Okay, there are like 4 or 5 people who have seen these 5. Okay, cool. Let's have a look at them and you have to figure out what's wrong with them. Okay, here's a proof that 1 is equal to 2. And you have to figure out what's wrong here. Third last step, which is the 6th step? B plus B is equal to B. Okay. Is this wrong?
Sir,
Kya?
let A and B be two variables, two different variables. So when did we use the A and B?
We never said different variables. I just said let A and B be two variables where A is equal to B. Right? This is a completely benign statement. I could say that let X and Y be X is equal to Y. You want to say something?
If you still take like let A be 1 and like for the first statement to be true, 1 is equal to 1.
Yes.
Then in the fourth statement, where we are factorizing with both sides,
Yes.
A plus B, so 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1. This contradicts the statement because it's equal to 0 and 0 just terminates the whole statement.
Okay. So what's wrong? What's wrong? What is the logical step that's wrong? So these are the steps we took, right? And these are the justifications on the right. You need to tell me that this particular justification and this step is wrong because of this. Because this is wrong, right? Yeah.
The fifth cancelling A minus B on both sides
Is wrong, but because
on the left hand side there is no like the value of A minus B is
you are at the right step. Yeah.
For the last one, because you can't cancel variables unless you show they're non-zero.
Okay. Why? Why? You are there. I see that you guys have reached the solution. Yeah.
और step के बाद से होगा क्योंकि A minus B 0 हो जाएगा तो हम dividing करेंगे.
This is what we are doing here in going from 4 to 5 is that we are dividing the expression by A minus B. And if A minus B is 0, we cannot divide an expression by A minus 0. Okay? Okay? Oh, have I run out of time? Give me just 2 minutes. Okay? क्या क्या कहा मुझे? So again of course होगी, लेकिन the thing is फिर आपका proof कहीं नहीं जाएगा ना. We want to get to this point, right? To get to this point we do this algebraic magic where we take two variables which are equal, multiply them, divide them. Everything in here is logical. There's nothing wrong except for this step जहाँ पे हम कह रहे हैं we are cancelling A minus B. Everything is logical. There is no logical error in any of the other statements except for this statement. That's the statement where logic breaks, where we are trying to divide something by 0. Dividing something by 0 is not defined in mathematics. It's not equal to infinity. It's not equal to 0. It's nothing. It's not defined. You cannot define divide by 0. Okay? So you cannot perform this cancellation. That's what breaks. If you are allowed to do this, then you break the mathematics. Then you can prove anything equal to anything else. Okay?
The last one too, right?
The last one is true. There is nothing wrong here.
No, what if these?
Or you're saying that dividing both sides by B, but B is not necessarily 0, right? So the statement is saying that I'm going to take A and B, two variables, kind of implied here that I'm picking some kind of particular A and B, okay, of my liking. Okay, so if I pick A and B of my liking, everything goes fine. Okay, Yeah. Are we good? Okay, cool. So the problem is that we cannot do divide by 0.